So here's my Xbox 360. It's just stopped working. Don't know what happened. Just playing on it and then it's stopped. Luckily I've got two, but this one's gone. Look. Hopefully someone will have a fix. Look, the power button, I tried to turn it on, no light, no nothing. I've changed where I'm plugging it into. I've got a new power block. Should work. I've got no power at all. I don't know what to do. I've taken it apart and cleaned it. Just stuck. Hopefully someone will have a fix. But please comment down and tell me how to fix it, because I'm stuck. I've got no Xbox. So yeah, pretty much.